In this video, I'm going to show how to add the name to our stylus up here on top. You could have more than a name if you wanted to. If you want to have some name and some artwork, some little symbols that go around it, that's just fine with me. Important parts about this is knowing that over here, these lines, the first line on both sides represents where your holes are. So stay away from that area. Don't put any burning items as far as any substance over here. On my side, or my device holder for this one, it's going to be on the right hand side where I have my holes. If you have large holes, that's where the inside guides show where those lines end. If you did holes on both sides, you only have this inside space. Next thing I usually do is type tool. I just click anywhere, type what I want to have, and like I said before, your last name. If you wanted to do a nickname, any of those things work. I guess we're labeling it. It could be a name or a label. From there, a reminder that one of the ways I like to go through and look at my font is just by selecting it with the selection tool, and then going up here in the control menu, and in the control menu, I just select the font as far as the characters, and I can go through with my cursor keys up and down to see all the different types. One of the things I'm going to do quick is just make this bigger. And you can hold your shift key if you want it to hold the ratio, or if you want it to go and get squished and stretch, you can do that too. If you grab the corner points, doesn't matter. Now, I'm just going to make mine a little bit larger, move it to the kind of correct location, and then I'm going to continue looking for my fonts. So over here, we're selecting in, and some of the fonts don't make any sense at all. Just go through and grab the one that you want. Once you get it, you can adjust the size so it's appropriate. I would stay a little bit away from my guides on top and bottom. Like I said, you can squish it, you can stretch it out so it is where it's supposed to be. Try to center it. And then also, I would stay away from the little radius edges because everybody's radius is a little different. Alright, so I'm going to move my left-hand edge of my text box so it's even with where that radius starts. If you wanted to take and make an envelope, you could do that also. Pick any of those that you want to have. Just make sure it fits up here. I'm going to cancel that because I don't want it in mine. But that's how we're doing in this video. Add your label to your device holder. Thanks for watching.